बेसिकली हम लोग ऑफकोर्स ब्लॉगिंग के बारे में हम लोग आज बात करेंगे। ब्लॉगिंग के कैसे क्या होता है ब्लॉगिंग एंड ब्लॉग हम कैसे अपलोड करते हैं अपने वेबसाइट्स पे, क्या बेसिक चीज़ें चाहिए वो मैं एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ इसमें। हेलो।
हाँ, मेरा क्वेश्चन।
हाँ बताओ।
अभी जो 2 दिन में मैंने जो आर्टिकल लिखे हैं उससे उसको आर्टिकल बोलते हैं। ब्लॉग और आर्टिकल में क्या डिफरेंस है? जब वो पोस्ट हो जाता है तब उसे ब्लॉग बोलते हैं।
बेसिकली जो आर्टिकल होता है हम अपने वेबसाइट पे उसको जब हम डालते हैं एंड उसको शेयर करते हैं तो वो लाइक उसको हम ब्लॉग बोल सकते हैं। ब्लॉग एंड आर्टिकल में डिफरेंस लाइक उतना नहीं है। आर्टिकल इज लाइक हम जो कुछ भी लिखते हैं एक हम बनाते हैं डिज़ाइन एंड जब हम उसको इंटरनेट पे डाल देते हैं वो ब्लॉग में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है।
प्रियंका म्यूट कर लो, पीछे से बहुत नॉइज आ रही है। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आई गेस कुछ नेटवर्क इशू है। वो बेसिकली जो नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट हैं जो रह गए हैं वो जम्मू से हैं और जम्मू में 2G चलता है तो बहुत इशू होता है उनको, तो मे बी कुछ इशू है उनका टेक्निकल। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स से ब्लॉगिंग क्या होता है बेसिकली, किसी को आइडिया है ब्लॉगिंग होता क्या है? कोई बोलना चाहेगा, बताना चाहेगा कि एक्चुअली ब्लॉग होता क्या है, ब्लॉग हम करते क्या है ब्लॉगिंग में एंड ऑल? कुछ आइडिया है किसी को? अनम्यूट करके बोल सकते।
आई थिंक सूरज, ब्लॉगिंग मीन्स किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे हम कंटिन्यूसली पोस्ट करते हैं रिलेटेड आर्टिकल।
ओके।
आई थिंक, नॉट श्योर। ये है मतलब हम उसमें कंटिन्यूस पोस्ट करते हैं। वेबसाइट पे हमेशा अपडेट करते रहते हैं उसी एक कंटेंट को, हमेशा एक जैसा नहीं रहता वो।
ओके।
Suraj sir, this
हाँ
Shanu.
हाँ सानू बताएं।
According to me, blogging is something which we share our opinion, point of view, our thinking over the internet by continuously posting the thing contents.
ओके ओके। सो ब्लॉगिंग इज एक्चुअली the content we share about our thoughts um, about any topic. It could be anything related to, let's say, news or any kind of cause, any kind of health issues, any kind of like tips or tricks. So anything related to these things जब हम शेयर करते हैं so it comes under like blogging. सो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम अपना रिसर्च करते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट हम अपना जो व्यू रखते हैं लोगों को बताते हैं कि लाइक these are the things you can like work on. So this is called blogging. एंड जब हम उस चीज़ को कंटिन्यूसली करते हैं, ब्लॉगिंग इज़ लाइक शेयरिंग एनीथिंग, बट ब्लॉगिंग में भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं। लाइक ब्लॉग के एक डिफरेंट वेज होते हैं। लाइक अगर हम कुछ भी शेयर करते हैं that comes under blogging, but blogging has to be something specific. Like let's say Priyanka has interest in digital marketing, Sanu has interest in health is things. So Sanu can like identify his work, his interest of work, and he can start uh, talking about or writing about that skill, that topic, which is continuously वो कर सके. So that's the thing which we have to follow. Obviously if you will start like कभी न्यूज़ पे लिख दिया, कभी किसी हेल्थ टॉपिक पे लिख दिया, कभी पॉलिटिकल व्यूज़ पे लिख दिया, सो दिस दिस थिंग विल नॉट गेट यू एनीवेयर. हाँ, you will do your blogging thing for the sake of sharing your interest or writing, but if you want to like do blogging for the long time, you have to understand your niche, you have to identify your niche, then you can start your niche blogging according to your interest, according to your niche. So, like Priyanka had shared some article with me today and yesterday as well. So I'll be showing you guys how to upload those articles to uh, the website and our platform. अभी तक किसी को क्वेश्चन है कुछ? If you have any question, just ask me.
हाँ सूरज, मुझे ये पूछना है कि जैसे हमने आर्टिकल लिखा है, ब्लॉग, वो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का रोल है मेरे ख्याल से। पोस्टिंग करना वो शायद वेब डेवलपर का काम होता है, या वो भी हमारा ही रोल होता है?
See,
ये मैं
posting.
इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ, जब मैंने क्लासेस ली थी ना, तो हाँ, वहां पे बताया था कि ये काम वेब डेवलपर का है, तो थोड़ा क्लियर
Okay,
कर दो इसको।
okay. You are learning SEO. You are not learning like totally blogging thing. Blogging and SEO both are the different things.
हम्म।
So under blogging you can post your article and blog to your platform. You don't need to have those development skills. It's This is a basic skill of doing things. You don't need any expertise in
ठीक
this,
है,
you just
ओके।
need a basic
ठीक है।
skills. So I'll just show you how to upload your blog to your platform. So I'm just sharing my screen. So basically, this is a background of backend of the website where we can like share our post. So first, if you have your own platform, you need to just log in into it. So Priyanka, I have shared you the login. So you will think how to log in into that. So you can log in by just go to the website's domain name /wp dash admin. So it will take you to the login page. So it's automatically, I think I have saved the password, so it automatically entered me to the back end of the website. So in this, there is like, I'll just give you a basic tour of the backend. So there is you will be able to see the name of the website. Under that you can see like visit website. If you click on this, it will take you the front page of the website. So where mostly people would see that the website is like how website is looks, and people will be able to identify your work, and people will be able to see your work. So and beside that there is a comment section. If anyone comment on your blog, it will show here, and you can approve or disapprove according to your like thing, because there is like lots of people spam your blog by doing comment or negative comment, maybe some bad things, maybe some other uh, identification thing, maybe some phishing comments. So you can disapproved and approved your comment from here. So then comes the new creation button, where you can create your post, you can add media, you can create a page, you can create a project, and you can add a user to your website who will be accessing your websites, so who can work from backend by using your website. So let's start with the building thing. So because we have to go through we have to make a blog. So we need to click on the post section. So we need to click here on the post section, and then we need to click on the new, add new, and we can add our title here. So let's say I have opened the work which I wanted to post here. So today I will post about how to identify your niche. So the title of today, the blog would be how to identify your niche. So I'll add the title here. Okay. Any question till now? You can comment. You can message on like message section. Any issue till now? Okay. So I'm doing it. So I want to add a picture here. So I'll just download and add a picture here. So I'm adding this, and we need to click here and add the block, and from here we can select the image block, and it will take us to the image block. So see, I have uploaded all those data and article which we had, we made to the blog, and so as you can see, this is super easy to add your blog to your backend and post it. So is there anyone has any question about this? Hello.
हाँ सूरज बोलो।
कोई क्वेश्चन है किसी को?
सूरज ये जो अभी आपने ब्लॉग पोस्ट है, एक बार स्क्रीन को स्क्रॉल करके दिखाना पूरा किस तरह से
So
अच्छी है।
this
और ये जो हम्म।
can you see a new tab where like the blog is opening? So blog will look like this. Even we can select the category of our blog from here. So let's say this is like uh, from blogging category. So I'll mark this. Okay, I haven't made any category for this. So I'll make blogging. Yes, selection. So I'll choose blogging needs selection here, and that's it. So now I want to make it live so people can see this. So just we need to hit publish button and it will immediately publish. So let's say we have made a blog and uploaded it and we want to see whether it is like showing under our blog section or not. So we will visit to our blog section, blog page, and see we have our first blog, the latest blog on the name of how to identify your niche. So we'll click on this and we can see how it looks like. See, this will look like this. So Priyanka, as you were saying that this for this you need to be a developer. So do you really अभी तक you are thinking कि you need a development skills?
सूरज प्लीज रिपीट।
Do you really think to post a blog on your platform or your website is a tough job? Do you need to have a development skills and development skills?
Suraj, it will take 3-4 efforts more, then we will be very comfortable with this task. Writing the article is not too much difficult. We can do it after 3, 4 more attempts.
Okay, cool. Sanu, do you have any question?
No, it's good.
Okay. Okay, so I think we are done with the class. So if you have any question, you can write to me or message me, and like you can reach out to me anytime. And I love to answer all of those questions.